Hello guys, today I'm trying to explain to you how to do the client secrets for Next.js application in a CI/CD pipeline. Okay, I'm not sure you guys have tried this one before or not, but if you try it, this one is quite challenging. Okay, the reason that this one is challenging is because when you do the CI/CD pipeline, for example, you do the Docker image building and those kind of things. Okay, in a normal way. Okay, what you do is that you put everything in your .env file inside your project. For example, you have a .env file, and after that you put it over there. You build your image, and after you build your image, you tag it, and after that you push it to the server or whatever. For example, you push it to your, for example, AWS or whatsoever. So that one is very straightforward and simple, and you just can follow their guideline. Okay. However, if you want to do this one on the GitHub side, for example, you want to put it in a CI/CD pipeline, okay, this one it become challenging, okay. So why this one it become challenging? Because the environment that, for example, you are building this guy, okay, supposed to have the secrets, okay. It means that the place, okay, you need to have access to the client secrets in a place that the application is getting built. Okay, so for example, in this case scenario, that for example you're doing the GitHub action. Okay, so your doc, for example, you that environment that is building the Docker supposed to have the that environment that is building the application, okay, supposed to have access to, for example, your client secrets. Okay, so this one is a little bit challenging. Okay, so let me I explain that how I overcome the problem. So if you have a Docker file, so inside the Docker file, what I'm doing is that this one is a simple one. Okay, so I just pass. Okay, so the secret. Okay, actually it's not secret anymore. Not really secret. It's a variable. Okay, I just pass the variable. Okay, through the argument. Okay, and then for example I put that argument inside the environment of the Docker image that I'm building. I hope it makes sense. I don't know I'm explaining very well or not, but after that I pass it to him, and after that I do the npm run build. Okay, so when you do this, so when he is doing the npm run build, he has access to this guy. Okay, so why I'm doing this, because the reason that you're doing so now, for example, why you pass it through the argument, the reason that it is that I cannot push my .env file to the server side, right? So it means that, for example, if you see their normal procedure, it means that when they do the build, okay, they read it from the .env file and those kind of things, right? But I cannot do that over there, right? So what I supposed to do is that the only thing that if I want to share, for example, secrets or variables or whatsoever inside the CI/CD pipeline, oh, exactly the same page. So I have to put the secrets over here, right? So when you put the secrets over here, you have to pass it somehow to your image creation and so on and so forth, right? So the way that I do that, okay, the solution that I come up with is that first the Docker file, we pass it through the argument value, okay, and on the deploy side, it means that on the GitHub action side, okay, how I overcome the problem is through passing. Okay, so it means that all those secrets just now you see over there. Okay, so all the secrets over here you see. Okay, I am passing it through the argument. Okay, to build it. Okay, and this all these secrets. Okay, for example, for example, no, not this one. It's down there. Sorry. There is a next public. Yeah, so this one is this one. Okay, so all those secrets is come from where? It come from the secrets that I set, or environmental variable that I set inside my GitHub page, GitHub repository. Okay, so all these secrets is set over there. Okay, during the time that I'm calling the GitHub actions. Okay, all these secrets is read and pass injected through the argument value to the Docker, and after that inside the Docker, okay, inside the Docker, the thing is get built. I hope I explained it well. Although I think I'm a total failure, but I tried my best to explain. Okay, I think it's not very easy to explain the situation. Okay, so if you go to the internet, the thing that I'm doing, everybody say that, okay, why you want to do this and this kind of thing is flexibility. Okay, so for example, if for some stuff you want to be configuration, right? So you want to have a flexibility to pass the things around and so on and so forth. So yeah, so this is the end. Please let me know if you have any questions. And I hope that the thing that I said it clicked for you. If not, please let me know. So I wrote a blog post also about this one. You can go check it down there, down below. You read it. If you don't understand, still you can ask me question down in the comments or something like that. Thank you.